Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Today we're breaking down a crucial concept, informed consent in the context of confidentiality. Think of it this way: informed consent is your yes to something, like a medical procedure or therapy, but it's only a real yes if you fully understand what you're agreeing to. Confidentiality is the promise that your private information will be kept secret. So, how do these two ideas connect? Informed consent about confidentiality means you have the right to know the rules and, more importantly, the limits of that secrecy before you share anything personal. It's a professional's duty to tell you up front when they might have to break their promise of privacy. Let's use a common example: going to a therapist. You probably assume everything you say is protected by a vault of secrecy, and for the most part, it is. But true informed consent means your therapist must tell you, usually in the very first session, about the specific situations where they are legally and ethically required to break confidentiality. These are the major exceptions. Number 1, if you are a danger to yourself, like expressing a serious plan for suicide. Number 2, if you are a danger to someone else, expressing a credible threat to harm another person. Number 3, if there is suspected child abuse or neglect. And number 4, if a court orders them to release your records. By continuing with therapy after hearing these rules, you are giving your informed consent. You understand the boundaries of your privacy from the start. The same principle applies in a doctor's office. When you sign those HIPAA forms, they are a form of informed consent. They explain that while your medical history is private, the hospital needs your permission to share it for specific, necessary reasons. This includes sharing information with your insurance company for billing, with other specialists involved in your care, or with public health officials during an outbreak. You're consenting to these limited, defined uses of your information, not giving them a blank check to share it with anyone. So why is this so important? It's about empowerment and trust. It ensures you are never caught by surprise. You are an active participant in your own care, not a passive subject. It builds a foundation of trust with the professional you're working with because they are being transparent with you from day one. You know the ground rules. Informed consent isn't just about signing a piece of paper, it's a process, a conversation that gives you the power to make a clear and knowledgeable decision about your own private information. Thanks so much for watching and for taking the time to understand this vital topic. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment with any questions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos that break down complex ideas into simple, understandable terms. We'll see you in the next one.